We've heard it everywhere in the news, from politicians, even from your friendly neighborhood AI chatbot. The world is changing faster than ever before. New technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics are transforming almost every part of our lives. The big question is, what does this mean for your future career? Are you studying the right thing now to have a great career later? Well, today we're diving deep into this topic, because it's not just about surviving in the future job market, it's about thriving in it. In this video, we'll explore the latest research, uncover the jobs that are safe and those that might change, and most importantly, help you make informed decisions about your education and career so that you can future-proof yourself. No, that's not a thing yet, but after today, you'll know exactly why it should be. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. We talk about all things education and tech and how to be successful in this crazy world that's changing quicker than a chameleon on a lava lamp. So if that sounds like your kind of vibe, stick around. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us grow and keep making awesome videos. Now let's jump into this whole future-proofing thing. According to a recent report by McKinsey Global Institute, by 2030, up to 800 million workers across the globe could find their jobs fully or partially automated. That's almost 1 in 5 jobs. On the flip side, the report also predicts the creation of up to 97 million new jobs. So how do you ensure that you land one of those new jobs? To break it down for you, here are 6 fields that are set to thrive in the age of automation: computer science and AI. This is a no-brainer. As AI continues to evolve, the demand for skilled professionals to develop, maintain, and oversee these systems will only grow. Think coding, machine learning, and robotics. Data science and analytics. Data is the new gold. Every business wants to tap into it, and skilled analysts and scientists are needed to extract valuable insights. Healthcare and biotechnology. Here's something to consider. While automation can assist in healthcare, it can't replace the human touch. Doctors, nurses, and those with skills in biotechnology will continue to be in demand as we navigate the complexities of healthcare. Cybersecurity. As we become more reliant on technology, the risk of cyber threats increases. This field will always need experts who can safeguard our data and systems. Green tech and environmental science. Sustainability is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Renewable energy, green architecture, and environmental science are just a few areas that are gaining momentum. Psychology and human behavior. Last but certainly not least, understanding human behavior will always be relevant, especially as AI and automation continue to shape our world. Now, here's a little secret. It's not just about the field you choose, it's also about the skills you develop. Whether you're in sales, marketing, finance, or any other field, having a solid foundation in these key areas will make you more adaptable and future-proof. Problem solving. This is a big one. Your ability to analyze, strategize, and find solutions to complex problems will be invaluable. Communication. In any field. Clear and effective communication is essential. It's how we collaborate, persuade, and build relationships. Digital literacy. You don't have to be a tech genius, but understanding how to use digital tools, analyze data, and navigate the online world will benefit you. Adaptability. This is a skill in itself. Being open to change, learning new things quickly, and embracing the unknown will be your allies in the future. Lifelong learning mindset. Education doesn't end with your formal qualifications. A commitment to continuous learning will keep you relevant and competitive. Certifications, online courses, industry-specific training, even volunteering or starting a side hustle can all contribute to your personal and professional growth. Remember, the future is not set in stone. It's a landscape that we can and should continuously shape. And with that, we wrap up today's discussion. We hope we've provided some clarity and maybe even a bit of inspiration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay connected. And hey, if you're thinking about studying something but are unsure where to start, comment below. We love connecting you with relevant resources. Till next time, stay curious, stay engaged, and remember, the best is yet to come.